is a light therapy, and what it's doing is it's putting like tiny little stressors on your brain and exercise for your brain. It's only white light, but what you experience is well beyond that. Your eyes are completely closed, and your brain is trying to make sense of what these lights are happening outside of your eyelids, and you almost see like a kaleidoscope like images or pixelated. Everyone has a little bit different experience, but they compare it to drug-free microdosing.
What's the benefit?
Increased neuroplasticity, so it's fun, but it also makes you smarter. So it's literally rewiring your brain every single time you use it.
All right. And light sensitive. Is that going to harm my eyes?
So there's a light sensitivity test that is done first thing. So it won't even let you download the app without doing your initial light sensitivity app. And basically they just run you through a few audio and visuals, and you can test if you're like too light sensitive. There's also contraindications like epilepsy. You should never do something like that with epilepsy. So yeah.
Energy wise, does something to your body?
There are a ton of different programs that you can run for Visor. One is energy, another is focus, another is sleep. So the different lights do different things to your brain depending on what you want.